Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the financial world you thought you understood is quietly being rebuilt. Not by bankers, not by economists, but by machines. You open your phone, check the markets, and everything feels normal on the surface. Stocks move up and down. Analysts argue on television. Headlines talk about growth and innovation. But underneath that familiar surface, something profound is happening. Artificial intelligence is slowly weaving itself into the very infrastructure of global finance. Algorithms now scan millions of transactions in seconds. Machines detect fraud before humans even notice it. Trading systems react to news faster than any person ever could. And while most people see AI as something futuristic, investors quietly understand something else. The transformation has already begun. If you step back and observe carefully, you'll notice that the financial system has always evolved with technology. Decades ago, stock trades were executed by people shouting on crowded exchange floors. Papers flew through the air. Orders were written by hand. Then computers arrived. Suddenly trades moved faster. Data became digital. Markets expanded, and each time a new technology appeared, the same emotional cycle followed. Excitement, massive investment, sky-high expectations, and sometimes painful corrections. Today, artificial intelligence is the newest force entering that cycle, promising to reshape everything from banking operations to investment strategies. Walk into any major financial institution today, and you'll find teams quietly building AI systems designed to do things that once required entire departments. Risk models analyze global economic data in real time. AI programs detect suspicious transactions across billions of payments. Customer service bots handle thousands of conversations simultaneously. Even hedge funds now deploy machine learning models to analyze patterns hidden inside oceans of financial information. To many executives, AI represents something irresistible: efficiency, speed, and predictive power. And when an industry built on information suddenly gains the ability to process information at unimaginable scale, investors begin paying very close attention. This attention has triggered something that feels strangely familiar to anyone who has studied financial history. Venture capital flows into AI startups at record speed. Technology companies announce massive investments in computing infrastructure. Cloud providers race to build data centers capable of powering the next generation of machine learning models. Stock prices of companies associated with AI rise rapidly as investors imagine a future where intelligent systems reshape every industry. And if you've been watching markets long enough, you may start feeling a quiet sense of déjà vu, because financial markets have seen moments like this before. In the late 1990s, something similar happened when the internet first began spreading across the world. Investors became convinced that every company connected to the internet would become the next giant of the digital economy. Money poured into startups. Stock valuations soared beyond anything traditional metrics could justify. And for a while, it felt like the beginning of a limitless technological revolution. In many ways, it was. The internet did transform the world, but something else happened too. A powerful speculative bubble formed around that transformation, and when reality eventually collided with expectation, the market corrected with painful force. Now, as artificial intelligence races into the heart of financial infrastructure, many investors are quietly asking a familiar question: are we witnessing innovation, speculation, or both at the same time? To understand why the excitement around artificial intelligence has become so intense, you need to look at what is already happening inside the machinery of modern finance. A surprising portion of today's trading activity is no longer executed by human hands. Instead, algorithms scan the market constantly, searching for patterns invisible to the naked eye. These systems react to economic news in milliseconds, adjusting positions before a human trader could even finish reading the headline. Now imagine adding powerful AI models into that environment, systems capable of learning, adapting, and analyzing billions of data points simultaneously. Suddenly, the entire financial ecosystem begins moving faster, reacting faster, and evolving faster than it ever has before. Banks are already investing billions to integrate artificial intelligence into their infrastructure. AI models are being trained to predict credit risk more accurately, detect fraudulent transactions across massive payment networks, and optimize portfolio strategies for large institutional investors. Even central banks are exploring how machine learning can help analyze economic indicators in real time. For the financial industry, Information is everything, and AI represents the ultimate tool for processing information at scale. The promise is simple but powerful: fewer mistakes, faster decisions, and a system that becomes more efficient every year. But the story doesn't stop with banks and hedge funds. Behind the scenes, an enormous technological race is unfolding. Massive data centers are being built across the world to power the computing demands of artificial intelligence. Semiconductor companies are designing specialized chips capable of handling the intense calculations required for machine learning models. Cloud computing giants are investing tens of billions of dollars to expand infrastructure that can support the global demand for AI services. Every piece of this ecosystem, from chips to servers to software, has become part of what investors now call the AI supply chain. And as excitement grows, the valuations of companies involved in that chain have begun rising dramatically. If you follow the market closely, you may have noticed a pattern emerging. Whenever a new technology captures the imagination of investors, capital begins flowing toward it with extraordinary speed. Companies that position themselves as leaders in the new revolution often see their stock prices rise rapidly. Analysts begin projecting massive future growth. Media headlines celebrate the arrival of a new technological era. At first, the enthusiasm feels justified. After all, technological revolutions really do change the world. But over time, something subtle begins to happen. Expectations grow faster than reality. This is where the concept of a financial bubble begins to enter the conversation. A bubble doesn't mean the technology itself is useless. In fact, many bubbles form around technologies that eventually reshape society. The internet bubble of the late 1990s produced companies that failed spectacularly. But it also gave birth to the digital economy you live in today. The danger appears when investor expectations run so far ahead of actual profits that stock prices detach from economic reality. And today, as trillions of dollars begin flowing into artificial intelligence infrastructure, some analysts are quietly asking whether the market may once again be approaching that fragile moment where excitement becomes speculation. When investors try to understand whether a new technological boom is becoming a bubble, they usually look for familiar signals. One of the first is speed. Markets begin moving faster than the underlying reality of the technology itself. Companies connected to the trends start seeing their valuations multiply in short periods of time. Analysts revise price targets upward again and again. Financial media begins talking about a once-in-a-generation opportunity, and slowly, almost imperceptibly, the narrative shifts. Instead of asking whether a company is profitable today, investors begin focusing almost entirely on what it might become in the future. In the world of artificial intelligence, some of these patterns are beginning to appear. You can see it in the enormous capital expenditures being announced across the technology sector. Companies are committing hundreds of billions of dollars to build data centers, design advanced AI chips, and expand cloud infrastructure capable of supporting machine learning models at global scale. These investments may very well shape the future of computing, but they also carry enormous expectations. For the companies making these investments, the assumption is clear: demand for artificial intelligence will continue growing at an extraordinary pace for years to come. If that demand materializes, the companies building this infrastructure could dominate the next era of digital finance. But if the adoption curve slows down even slightly, the market may begin questioning whether today's valuations were too optimistic. This is the delicate balance that often defines technological revolutions in financial markets. Innovation creates genuine opportunity, but markets tend to price the future long before it arrives. During the dot-com boom, investors believed the internet would transform commerce, communication, and media. They were right. The internet did change everything, but the market's expectations ran so far ahead of reality that many companies collapsed when they couldn't grow fast enough to justify their valuations. The lesson was not that the technology failed, it was that speculation moved faster than adoption. Today, artificial intelligence may be walking a similar path. For you as an investor, the real question isn't whether artificial intelligence will shape the future of finance. That transformation is already happening. AI systems are becoming deeply embedded in trading platforms, fraud detection systems, credit scoring models, and portfolio management tools. Banks, hedge funds, and financial institutions are unlikely to abandon these technologies because the efficiency gains are simply too powerful. The real question is more subtle: How much of that future has already been priced into today's markets? Because when expectations become too optimistic, even extraordinary technologies can experience painful corrections in the short term. So when you hear people discussing the possibility of an AI bubble, remember that the conversation is not really about whether artificial intelligence matters. It absolutely does. The conversation is about timing, expectations, and the psychology of markets. Financial history shows that every technological revolution travels through phases: discovery, excitement, speculation, correction, and eventually, maturity. Artificial intelligence may still be early in that journey, and if there is one lesson markets repeat across generations, it's this: the technologies that change the world rarely move in a straight line. They surge, they stumble, they surge again. The investors who succeed are often the ones who can see both sides at once: the extraordinary potential of the future and the quiet risks hidden inside today's excitement.